g of x divided by f of x. And I'm going to write it over here. That's the square root of x divided by x plus 1. Okay, no simplifying that we can do there. What about domain?
Yes.
What issues do we have with domains? Okay, so what would be the value of x you exclude so that you don't divide by 0? -1. So you would have to say x does not equal -1. But you also got a square root. How are you going to make sure you don't take the square root of a negative number? Yeah, you have to say that x is greater than or equal to 0. So if x is greater than or equal to 0, is there any chance that it could equal -1? No. So the domain is really that. All right. So again, what does that little open circle represent? Composition. So we want to say, rewrite it in the way that's more familiar to us. F of g of x. Okay, so how do you do f of g of x? Okay, that is f of the square root of x. So basically it means take this and put it in the place of the x there. What does that look like? The square root of x plus 1. Okay, how about if you do the opposite direction? What if you write it as g of f of x? That would be g of x plus 1, which means take this and put it in the place of the x there. What does it look like? Square root of x plus 1. Okay. Now remember, if you have a number involved, you can go through the same process of finding f of g, in this case, f of x. Or you can just leave the number in. You could say, that's f of 3. And then evaluate, if f of x is x plus 1, what's f of 3? 4, right? So that's f of 4. And what's f of 4? 5. Done.